What's up YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick reptile room tour, so here it is. Right here we have Pearl, the corn snake. She has a basic setup. I think it's a 10-gallon hide. Aspen bedding, a lot of it 'cause she likes to burrow in it. You can see there, she made little holes to burrow in. A tree for her to climb on when she gets cold so she can get to the heat light. And then a small water dish. I would show you her, but she's about to eat, so she's right there. See her little mouth? Okay. Now on to my leopard gecko Kronos. He's in a 10-gallon basic hide, and then a vine, little hot log, and then a rock to keep the heat in, and then water dish. He's in there right now. He's sleeping. I would get him out, but he's sleeping. I don't want to wake him up. And here is my adult leopard gecko. He stays in there most of the time. Sometimes I see him come out, maybe drink or hunt. That's his log. He's probably sleeping too, so we'll show that. This is my Mealworm breeding process. We have 2 pupas right here, and that's all superworms. This is my Knowles cage. Speedy. I had Greenie, but he died. We don't know what happened. She's really hard to get out. I'll try to get her out. But, yep, there she is. Yeah, I don't want to disturb her, so that's her cage. Just bamboo bars, vines, tree, and a water dish. And this is Sensei, my Chinese water dragon. We have a reptile hammock, a rally towel, a vine, another vine, a water dish, and a log right here. Because we were going to make it half water, half land, but it didn't work out. And last but not least, this is my beetle cage. I only have 1 beetle so far. Let's see where it's at. I think it's in here. Yeah. No, it's not in there. I don't know where it went. Somewhere in there. So, that's it. So, I'm going to the reptile, I Can't Say Reptile show here in March. So, see ya.